Good morning, dear children. Welcome to English class. This is your English teacher. I hope everyone is doing good. Stay home and stay safe. Starts with today's class with beautiful quote. Thought for the day is: failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. I repeat once again. Thought for the day: failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently, by Henry Ford. Along with this meaningful quote, let's start today's class. Today we will learn about gender of nouns and male and female nouns. I repeat once again. Today we will learn about gender of nouns and male and female nouns. Previously we have learnt that a common noun is general name that used for names of person, animal, place or thing. So in the previous class we have learnt what is meant by common noun and what are all the examples of common noun too. Okay, common nouns begins with small letters. For example, girl, goat, city and chocolate are some of examples of common nouns. A proper nouns. A proper noun's special name that is given by a person, animal, place or thing. Yes children, a proper noun is a special name of that is given by a person, animal, place or thing. Proper nouns begins with a capital letters. For example, Aditya by the person, animal Jerry, in the place New Delhi, things Kit Kat. These are all the special names of person, animal, place or thing. So these are some examples of proper noun. Let us now learn masculine and feminine gender nouns. We have learnt that a noun names a person or an animal. Now a person or an animal can be either a male or female. Yes children, now we will begin with masculine and feminine gender of nouns. We have learnt that a noun names of person or an animal. Now a person or an animal can be either a male or female. It means noun common or special can be resorted according to their gender. Yeah, it can be splitted or resorted according to their gender. The gender of noun tells us whether the person or an animal we are referring to male or female. We are referring that male or female. Let us try to understand that gander is the male gender, goose is the female gender, drake is the male gender, duck is the female gender, lion is the male gender, lioness is the female gender, book is the male gender, doe is the female gender. Look at these sentences. I am a boy. I am a son. This is father and that is my brother. A noun means a person. A person can be either male or female. A boy, son, father and brother are male gender. Am I right children? In the given sentences we resorted boy, son, father and brother are male gender. Male nouns are also called masculine gender, right? Yeah, the second sentence is I am a girl, I am your daughter, this is my mother and that is my sister. So in these sentences, yeah, the masculine gender nouns are resorted, yes, it was separated. Yeah, girl, daughter, mother and sister are of the female gender. Female nouns are also called feminine gender. Just like person, animal also have male and female gender. Not only a person and also animal, we split it into male and female gender. For example, bull is the male gender and cow is the female gender, right? Similarly, gander is the male gender, goose is the female gender, drake is the male gender, duck is the female gender, lion is the male gender and lioness is the female gender, buck is the male gender, doe is the female gender. Let us look at some more example sentences. Ram and his uncle went to zoo. They saw a big lion. See here, Ram is a special name or the proper noun of the boy. Uncle is the common noun for the boy. Lion is the common noun for the male animal. These are all male nouns, that is noun of masculine gender. That is nouns are all masculine gender. Now look at the following sentences. Rita and her mother went to the zoo. They saw a big lioness. Rita is the special name or the proper noun of the girl. Mother is the common noun for the woman. Lioness is the common noun for the female animal. These are all female nouns, that is nouns of feminine gender. Let us look few more examples of masculine and feminine gender. Man, woman, father, mother. Father is masculine and mother is feminine. Son is masculine and daughter is feminine. Brother is masculine noun, sister is feminine noun, yes, feminine gender. Grandfather is masculine gender, grandmother is the feminine gender. Grandson is the masculine and feminine is granddaughter. Nephew, niece. King, queen. Prince and princess. Horse is the masculine and mare is the feminine gender. Pig is the masculine noun, is masculine gender, and so is the feminine gender. Rooster is the masculine and hen is the feminine. So let's revise. Names for boys, men and male animals. Uncle, headmaster, lion. Male nouns are called masculine gender nouns. Female nouns, other names for girls. Aunt, headmistress, lioness. Female nouns are also called feminine gender nouns. Yes children, this is all about today's class. In the class we have learnt what is meant by gender. Yes, masculine gender and feminine gender nouns. We splitted everything. How do we call it as masculine gender and feminine gender? The usage of a person as well as the animals. Am I right children? Yeah. Thank you children. Thanks for watching. After completing this video, I have given the Google form test for you. So kindly find the link and complete the test without fail. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.